Welcome to English listening practice lesson. Today we will practice English together about topic a story of a poor boy. At a slow speed to improve your listening and speaking skills. Pay attention and listen carefully. Rohan lived in a small village. His house was tiny, just one room with a leaky roof. His family was very poor. His father worked in the fields, but the crops didn't always grow well. His mother helped in other people's houses, cleaning and cooking. They didn't have much money. Sometimes they didn't even have enough food to eat. Rohan went to the village school. It was a simple school with one teacher for many children. The books were old and torn, but Rohan loved to learn. He was a bright boy, always asking questions. He wanted to know about everything. He liked to read stories, especially stories about brave people. He dreamed of being brave too. Rohan's parents wanted him to have a better life. They worked very hard so he could go to school. They knew that education was important. They believed that if Rohan studied hard, he could have a good job someday. They wanted him to have a life where he didn't have to worry about money all the time. Rohan understood how much his parents sacrificed for him. He saw their tired faces and their worn out clothes. He knew they wanted him to succeed. This made him study even harder. He spent hours reading his books. He borrowed books from the village library. He even studied under the dim light of the street lamp when there was no electricity at home. One day, a police officer came to their school. He talked to the children about his job. He told them how he helped people. He talked about catching bad guys and keeping the city safe. Rohan was fascinated. He listened to every word the officer said. He thought, I want to be like him. I want to help people too. From that day on, Rohan dreamed of becoming a police officer. He knew it wouldn't be easy. He knew he had to study very hard, but he was determined. He worked harder than ever before. He wanted to make his dream come true. After finishing school in the village, Rohan went to the city. He went to a college there. It was a big city, very different from his small village. Everything was new and exciting, but also a little scary. He missed his parents and his friends, but he knew he had to stay. He had to study. College was difficult. The books were harder, the classes were bigger, but Rohan didn't give up. He remembered his parents' sacrifices. He remembered his dream of being a police officer. He studied day and night. He took extra classes. He asked his teachers for help. Rohan made some friends in college. They were also studying hard. They helped each other. They studied together. They encouraged each other. They became like a family away from home. After college, Rohan took the exam to become a police officer. It was a very difficult exam. Many people took the exam, but only a few passed. Rohan was nervous. He had studied so hard, but he still worried. He waited for the results. The day the results came, Rohan was shaking. He opened the letter slowly. He couldn't believe his eyes. He had passed. He had passed the exam. He was going to be a police officer. He was so happy. He cried tears of joy. Rohan called his parents right away. They were so proud of him. They cried too. They knew how much he had worked for this. They knew how much he wanted it. They were so happy for the son. Rohan went to the police academy. He learned how to be a police officer. He learned about the law. He learned how to keep people safe. He learned how to be brave. It was hard work, but Rohan was happy. He was finally one step closer to his dream. After finishing his training, Rohan became a police officer. He was posted to a small town. He was very happy to finally be doing the job he had always dreamed of. He helped people, he caught bad guys, he kept the town safe. Rohan never forgot where he came from. He remembered his poor village, he remembered his parents' sacrifices. He wanted to help other children like him. He wanted to show them that if they worked hard and believed in themselves, they could achieve their dreams no matter how difficult they seemed. He visited his village often and talked to the children. He told them his story. He told them about anything is possible. Rohan became a respected police officer. He was known for his honesty and his bravery. He was a good police officer. He was a good man. He had come a long way from the poor boy in the small village. He had achieved his dream. He had made his parents proud. He had made himself proud. And he had helped many people along the way. His story is a story of hope. It is a story of hard work. It is a story of believing in yourself. It is a story that shows that even the poorest boy can become an IPS officer if he has the will and determination.